Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me. And today's video we're going to talk about the engine and maintenance portion of the MyGeotab platform. So first, to view it, we're just going to go under engine and maintenance, and we have a few different options here. Let's start with fuel and energy usage. So we're going to open that up. So this is, we can check which vehicles have used fuel, how much, etc. So I'll go ahead and select this month. I want to select a few vehicles, and then just like every other report in the system, I'll click Apply Changes, and it's going to load up for me. There we go, it's all loaded up. So this is what it looks like. So we get the vehicle name, how far they've driven, how much fuel they've used, and what their fuel mileage or kilometerage looks like. So again, we can use these to make decisions, like if we notice that one vehicle is getting really bad fuel mileage, then maybe we can take it in for a tune-up, or maybe decide it's time to retire that vehicle. Okay, so that's one thing under engine and maintenance. Next, we're going to check out engine and device and the sub-tab under that. So we'll start with faults. So this is if the GeoTab detects there's something wrong with the vehicle or even itself, the actual GeoTab unit. So I'll go ahead and select this week. I'll select a few vehicles here so we can have some data to come through. And then as diagnostics, I'm going to leave it as empty because I want to catch everything. I want to see everything. So I'll then go ahead and click on Apply Changes, let it load up, and here are some examples of some of the data we can get. Now, I'm personally not very technically inclined, so these don't mean a lot to me, but if you show this to your mechanic or your tech, they'll be able to say, okay, yeah, that's what this means, and then tell you if it's a an emergency or not. And these device faults here, these telematics device, there's several faults that start with that phrase, telematics device fault. That means there's something to do with the actual GeoTab unit itself. So in this case, it's just letting you know that a firmware is updated successfully. But sometimes, you know, you'll see troubles communicating with the engine or poor GPS quality. So those are issues that have something to do with the GeoTab itself and may require troubleshooting. So those are our faults. And the last thing we're going to take a look at today is our measurements. So I should start this by saying, in order to get engine measurements from the vehicle, the GeoTab device has to be on the Pro plan or higher. So if you're only on the base or the HOS plan, you won't be able to receive engine data. So like the fuel usage that we looked at earlier, or the odometer, stuff like that. So well, I'll just stick with today, and I'll select only one vehicle because I don't want to load too much. And again, under diagnostics, I'm going to leave it empty because I want to see everything. So then we'll go ahead and click on Apply Changes. And this is examples of some of the data we can get. So we have the acceleration side to side and up and down, so that's your G-forces to determine you know, harsh braking and whatnot. Engine coolant temperature, engine operational time, so how long it's been running, fuel usage or fuel level in this case. So again, we have a lot, ignition. So it is recommended that you can just kind of come in here and see what data we can grab for you, and that way you can maybe make reports or alerts based on this data so you can use it to its fullest. And that covers everything I want to talk about under engine and maintenance today. So thank you very much for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video.